This is GMAETS 41. Welcome to question number 3 of the series of 15 U-SUBSTITUTION integration questions that we are working on this channel presently. Now you recall that I am exposing you to super shortcuts that you're meant to use to deal with any U-SUBSTITUTION question you see in integration in your examinations. Remember, question number 2, question number 1 have already been dealt with, and they are available on this channel. So you can check through to take them. On the board here, we have this question. Solve the equation dy dx equal to 4x plus 12 all over x squared plus 6x. What should you take to heart, first of all, with this question? Now, you can now see dy dx equal to, an expression in quotient form. It's important for you to understand that whenever you have a differential coefficient term in an equation and you're asked to solve, the solution to that is to integrate. You could say that dx will be multiplying this. And for that reason, once a differential coefficient is multiplying something, to solve that term, you integrate. This is going to give us dy equal to this whole term on the right-hand side, then dx. And now we can integrate. Apply integration sign here, apply integration sign here. Integral dy is going to fetch you back y. So have it in mind that integral dy is going to give us back y. So we have gotten the solution of this part, and then equal to, let's now look at this right hand side. That is actually our major focus in this question. If you differentiate x squared, you're going to get 2x. Differentiate 6x, you're going to get 6. Now observe the numerator. What we have in the numerator is 4x plus 12. 4x plus 12. One may wonder, how come would 4x plus 12 be equal to 2x plus 6? Calm down. It's all about basic knowledge of mathematics. And I always encourage you, friends, to make sure you strengthen your basic maths knowledge. Observe this numerator. Why did I say that the variable we obtain, this derivative we obtain from the denominator, you have it in the numerator? You agree with me that 2 is common to the numerator. So let's factorize that 2 from the numerator. Factorizing it, I'm going to be left with 2x plus 6. This is super cool. Did you now see that these two terms are the same? If you differentiate the denominator, look at the result, that is going to give you the numerator. But the numerator has 2 as a constant. Therefore, y is equal to 2. That coefficient of 2 in the numerator, then ln of the denominator. So we are done with this. This is a solution without stress. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, hit the subscription icon, turn on the notification bell, select all, so that once I upload any content or I come on live, you will be personally notified.